Sobering words, Jim.
Yeah, we got the message. We dodged the bullet with Fred and Grace and Henri, but we're not out of the woods by any stretch, right, Craig?
No, that's right. And I always say, you know, you can get your supplies at a comfortable pace right now, or you can stand in line or wait in line, as the case always is, when there is a big threat to South Florida. I prefer to do it early and then just at the end of the season have a little party and get rid of my supplies. Enjoy them. 50-mile-an-hour winds right now with Grace. Grace forecast to be a hurricane moving to the west at 15 miles an hour. Folks in the Caymans watching Grace closely as it bears down on the Cayman Islands, as well as in the Yucatan there. Jamaica already receiving a pounding, flash flooding, strong winds, tropical storm winds throughout the day today. Some of those winds reaching the southeast coast of Cuba there. There are the latest warnings, hurricane warnings now for parts of the Yucatan, hurricane watches for the Caymans, tropical storm warnings for southeast Cuba as well as Jamaica. Future track calls for Grace to become a hurricane later tonight or tomorrow, then reach the Yucatan there and then cross on into the Gulf of Mexico and re-intensify, and then finally making landfall late on Friday or Friday night in the far west and southwest Caribbean. The yellow area indicates the area, the extent of the expected tropical storm conditions. The white area, of course, where the center of Grace is expected to be. Everybody in that part of the Caribbean and the Gulf watching Grace very carefully. Here's the way it's looked throughout the day today, right on top of Jamaica. Showers, thunderstorms, very heavy downpours, and lots of flooding there. There's the bigger picture with Grace down there. There is tropical depression Fred continuing to wind down, but producing heavy rain and even tornadoes. And then there is Henri out there to the east near Bermuda, just south of Bermuda. Forecast to move to the west and then make a slow turn to the north in the next 5 days. Closer to home, it is nice and quiet, but it is nice and hot. Steamy hot air. Keys camera this evening showing a little bit of haze and looking very tropical. 88 in Miami, 88 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 88 in Key West. Sticking the scales an 8 extra steamy, making it feel like 100. East-southeast breeze at 14 miles an hour. On that breeze, a few showers coming in. Most of the thunderstorms on the west coast. We may see a little quick shower as we go through the night here in South Florida, but that is about it. Highs stay low 90s, more of that in store, as well as feels like temperatures from 102 to 106 in the afternoon. Still a steamy evening underway. The Grace moisture to our south, the Fred moisture tail for what it was, is to our north. And as we go through the rest of the week here, really no moisture over us. Kind of a lull in rainy season and not a lull in summer, though temperatures staying hot. Here's our forecast for tonight. Summer muggies, a low temperature near 84. Tomorrow, look for a good deal of steamy sunshine. Ocean breeze, a high near 92 on the water. Winds out of the southeast at 15 to 20. Seas running 2 to 4 feet. Take us through the rest of the week. No big changes. Steamy summer sunshine. Back to you.
All right, Craig.